Bitcoin could drop to $45,000, warns 10x Research. Bitcoin, the world's most popular cryptocurrency, has been through a roller coaster of price movements this year. And now, a new forecast from 10x Research, a company that specializes in analyzing digital assets for traders and institutions, is raising concerns for both casual investors and seasoned traders. According to 10x Research, Bitcoin could see a significant price drop, possibly falling as low as $45,000 in the near future. But what's behind this prediction, and why are experts sounding the alarm? Let's break it down. In their latest report, 10x Research highlighted a number of reasons why they believe Bitcoin's price is at risk of a major downturn. To start with, the entire crypto market is going through a phase of correction and heightened volatility. This means that prices are swinging up and down more than usual, and Bitcoin is caught in the middle of this turbulence. Marcus Thielen, the head of research at 10x Research, is pointing to a concerning trend in Bitcoin's network activity. One of the key indicators that analysts look at is the number of active Bitcoin addresses. Back in November 2023, Bitcoin's active addresses hit a peak, with over 983,000 users. At one point, this number even reached 1.2 million. But here's the catch. After this surge in activity, the number of active addresses started to drop off significantly in early 2024. By September 2, 2024, the number of active Bitcoin addresses had fallen to just under 600,000, according to data from Messari. That's a huge decline in a relatively short period. So what does this mean? Well, fewer active addresses could indicate a reduction in overall interest and demand for Bitcoin. When fewer people are using or trading Bitcoin, it can lead to lower prices as demand weakens. This trend is worrying because it suggests that Bitcoin's popularity might be fading for now, at least in the short term. And remember, Bitcoin's value is driven largely by supply and demand. If demand is dropping, the price often follows. Another red flag that 10x Research points to is the behavior of Bitcoin holders. According to their analysis, short-term holders began selling off their Bitcoin in April 2024. At the same time, long-term holders have also started taking profits. This combination of selling pressure from both short-term and long-term holders is usually a sign that the market might have reached its peak and could be heading for a decline. It's no secret that Bitcoin has seen a significant drop in price this year. After reaching an all-time high of over $73,000 in March 2024, the price of Bitcoin has since fallen to around $55,000. This downward trend is happening at the same time as the drop in active addresses and the broader volatility in the crypto market, suggesting that all of these factors are interconnected. 10x Research also notes that the weak U.S. economy is playing a role in Bitcoin's struggles. Economic conditions in the U.S. are a big factor in how Bitcoin performs globally, because many investors look to Bitcoin as an alternative when traditional markets like stocks are doing poorly. However, with the U.S. economy facing challenges and ongoing Bitcoin futures liquidations, it's adding more downward pressure on Bitcoin's price. Finally, let's talk about timing. Dan Tapiero, the founder and CEO of 10T Holdings, weighed in on the situation and shared some historical context. According to Tapiero, September has often been a difficult month for Bitcoin. Historically, it's a month where Bitcoin has underperformed or faced increased selling pressure. It seems that this September is no exception, with Bitcoin and Ethereum being stuck in what he calls a painful consolidation since March. Despite the gloomy short-term outlook, there's still hope for the long term. While Tapiero acknowledges the tough times Bitcoin is going through right now, he believes the market is setting up for a major bullish trend. His advice to investors: stay patient and hold onto your assets. In conclusion, while 10x Research's prediction of Bitcoin dropping to $45,000 might sound alarming, it's important to understand the reasons behind this forecast. Fewer active users, selling from both short-term and long-term holders, declining prices, ETF outflows, and the struggling US economy are all contributing to this potential downturn. However, as we've seen many times before in the world of crypto, what goes down often comes back up. So, while the short-term outlook might be bearish, there's still hope for a recovery in the future.